In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Avalanche's future while talking about Avax cost conjecture for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like torrential slide. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the particle value forecast and answer questions in the event that torrential slide is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will torrential slide succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will torrential slide value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is torrential slide and its to-date history. Torrential slide value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees a some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023 04052.37% $16 90202304 06 plus 5.39% $18 24 2023 04 07 plus 0.31% $17 37 2023 04 08 1.62% $17 03 2023 04 09 plus 5.96% $18 34 2023 04 10 1.51% $17 05 2023 04 111.87% $16 99 2023 04 12 plus 4.31% $18 06 2023 04 134.44% $16 54 2023 04 141.74% $17 01 2023 04 153.96% $16.63 torrential slide coin value forecast 2023. High expansion and very risky large-scale circumstance thought about vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 APRA 8.40% $15.86. 2023 May 20.81% $13.71. 2023 June 27.88% $12.48. 2023 July 18.29% $14.15. 2023 Aug 17.96% $14.20. 2023 Sep 7.66% $15.98. 2023 Oct 8.74% $15.80. 2023 NOV plus 2.22% $17.70. 2023 DEC plus 4.02% $18.01. 2024 Jan plus 9.37% $18.93. 2024 Feb plus 10.43% $19.12. 2024 Blemish plus 21.20% $20.98. Avia X value forecast 2025. Our expectation model sees AVAX coming to $33.24 in 2025. What will AVAX be worth in 5 years? The cost of a VAX in 5 years could lie around $32.10. Torrential slide coin value expectation 2030 to 2040. What torrential slide will be worth in 2030? Our Guojing model sees torrential slide coming to $83.10 in 2030. What torrential slide will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees torrential slide coming to $166.19 in 2040. Will torrential slide supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, torrential slide won't supplant or surpass BTC. Will torrential slide reach $1,000? Indeed, conceivable torrential slide can reach $1,000 yet just in a removed future. After 2030, is torrential slide worth purchasing? We are backers of reasonably dangerous financial planning. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a crate of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with colossal potential gain. Thus, in this specific circumstance, torrential slide merits purchasing. Is torrential slide a wise venture? Torrential slide is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a dangerous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will torrential slide be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $10.18. In the long haul, it could leap to $83.10 or much higher. For what reason will torrential slide succeed and get more expensive? Torrential slide has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees torrential slide ascending to $83.10 in 2030. For what reason will torrential slide fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat in light of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the venture, controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders, absence of very much planned showcasing methodology, losing local area support, expected weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will torrential slide go? Our estimating model sees torrential slide value detonating and coming to $166.19 in a far-off future. What is the momentary expectation for torrential slide? Torrential slide will reach $10.18 in the following 90 days, which is a 41.2% change over the ongoing cost, which drifts around $17.31. Could torrential slide make you a tycoon? Indeed, assuming you purchase enormous enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute $100 and become a torrential slide tycoon. In any case, 100x value blasts are a typical sight in crypto, so a $10K interest in torrential slide could make you a tycoon. Torrential slide value forecast today. What will be the cost of torrential slide tomorrow? Torrential slide will float around $17.96 tomorrow. When to sell and leave torrential